Hi, I'm Melissa Reade with Cedar Valley. I thought I would just take a minute and share a little bit more about what you could expect as a participant in Elevate Leadership Academy. So let me first assure you that wherever you're at on your leadership journey, Elevate Leadership Academy is for you. Our foundational belief is that all leaders have room to level up, and that's exactly what Elevate is all about. One of the things that our Elevate participants are most excited about is being part of a collaborative cohort, learning together with the same people for the duration of the academy. You will also be strategically placed with two other people in triads that will connect periodically throughout our 8 months together. There will be many opportunities for networking and building deep relationships. There are also two tracks of learning, leading self and leading others. We anticipate that in each of the 8 sessions, you will have learning and experiences in both of those vital areas. We aim for you to walk away with new insights into who you are as a leader, as well as how to invest and develop in individuals and teams. To ensure that you are meaningfully engaged in the learning, your facilitators will embrace a chunk and chew approach, meaning that we will provide you a chunk of learning and then you will chew on it in some way. This might be through private reflection, partner or small group activity, hands-on activity, simulation, assessments, roundtables, Q&A panels, or large group opportunities. The one thing that we can assure you is that this is not 8 sessions of us talking at you. This is about you being a leader in your leadership learning. There will be activities to do outside of regular meeting times, but they are designed to be purposeful and with your leadership development in mind. A few such opportunities include to complete a 360 assessment, which is an assessment designed to gather feedback from multiple perspectives, including your supervisor, those you lead, peers, and even clients. You will also be able to choose a Cedar Valley Leadership Accelerator course for free that is outside of our regular 8 sessions. You will get to choose from 7 habits of highly effective people, multipliers, or inclusive leadership. All great opportunities to, again, level up your leadership learning. This is just a touch of what we have in store for you. We can't wait to see you as you level up your leadership through Elevate Leadership Academy. See you soon.